Hey guys, Dawn here showing off my new camcorder, and I'm on vacation. I'm currently in my hotel room. Gonna be going to dinner, but I wanted to show you where I am. So we got the bathroom in here, and as you can see, I've got some stuff already set up. Got plenty of towels, a nice bath with a shower, so I can, there you go. Nice and cozy. Sorry, my first time using this closet, but I'm likely to use that. Microwave, mini fridge, nice container, my screen TV, and I am recharging my diffuser that I bought particularly for this trip. And got 2 queen-size beds, which I pretty much have already cluttered with stuff. Just my stuffies. And my laptop recharging. That should be fully charged by the time I get back. Anywho, so I officially started my vacation. So I will talk to you all later. Might not record much today, but definitely will record tomorrow. Bye for now.